Hey, what's up? Wait, before you come past that green thing, just so you know, I'm doing a live webcast.
And I met your dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hooked me up, and I already had some stuff. I had that since I just ran out, but now I know what I'm growing good. You know, like I failed for 2 years. You know, like fucked up, and then I finally got my own little method growing. But I ran out of my grow. Like right now, I'm just vegging, and I'm not using none of my bloom stuff. I'm just vegging the plant until I get it to my height, and I'm just gonna switch it to my 12 to make it bloom. You know.
Okay.
But right now, like my plant, my daughter's in the car, and everyone. My little
Okay.
kid, I'll show you pictures, but they're over there. But yeah, the plant's about like this high. I just wanted to get more branchy because I got the branches out already. And
Okay.
I got these about a foot high.
Okay.
I wanted to get them more. I just need more liquid to make it grow more. And I don't know. I use that grow stuff, that Sensei Grow.
Okay.
Or is it B?
What microbes are you using?
Yeah, the guy he told me your guys is this soil right here. Coconut Grow.
Okay. What microbes are you using? Are you using just straight microbes like this? Are you using some? Just tell me which one of those products that you're using.
Micro. I don't use this.
Okay, then don't do any other product. Is that your kid in the car? Honking? Oh, okay. That's funny.
My 9-year-old.
Okay, no, I would honk. Listen, I would honk at you too.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I was a kid in your car, oh hell yeah.
I took my mom's car when I was like 11, 12 years old.
Dude.
I took it for a year in Arizona.
Dude.
Went to the east side, went back to the west side.
That is fucking funny. Okay, so that's all you're gonna do. Just start adding that. That's straight microbes. It puts it on the roots, yes. And I'll tell you why.
Isn't this the clone though, right?
No, they're Clonex rooting gel. That is Clonex microbes.
This is gonna help my
That's
plant grow.
no, it's gonna grow branches.
More branches.
More branches. And I'll tell you why. Because the more roots you have, the more branches the plants have.
Yeah, and also about that, he told me that I put it because I started on a 5-gallon pot, now it's at a 15-gallon pot. It's the biggest, because I think it goes 10 or 20, right? You guys have 10?
Yeah, we got big ones.
Yeah,
But you don't usually do 20s indoors.
Yeah, I think I got 10 on my indoor, yeah. It's a nice little size,
Yeah.
nice little chunk branch on there.
Yeah. Make a tea with that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you're going to buy the soluble. You'll get the one with the blue dot. Toss me that one. You're going to get the one with the blue dot. And that's the next thing you can do.
This one is to help me get more branches?
Yes.
All right.
Branches are directly related to how much oxygen the roots get. The bigger the roots, the more branches you get.
Because I'm using liquid stuff.
So what microbes are you using?
I'm just fucking high and...
So what liquid stuff are you using?
I'm using advanced nutrients.
Okay, but that's not that. That's nutrient. There's no nutrient in there.
Oh, okay.
These are microbes. They live on the roots. You should be using that from start to finish,
All right.
because the bigger the roots.
All right, I'll take your recommendation.
There's an order that you do stuff.
Also, I need a cut for my clones. So I got a lot of clones off of it. What is that? Well, yeah, one of these, but not that saturating. That's for hydroponics, right? Or something like that. Yeah, the tray with the little clones and the little shed thing.
Check.
And then also, what else I need?
Okay, so you need one of those domes right there.
Yeah, dome.
Okay.
And
Yeah, let's pull this towards it. Let's pull this out.
also, I was curious about that nitrogen. Dude, I'm just going in my balcony, bro.
You need the tray,
Yeah.
and are you going to need the inserts? Or are you going to do a slab like Rodin's slab like
Yeah, I
that?
just want to fucking put them on.
Okay, then grab that big one right there. Yeah. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, you have the light.
Yeah, I got light.
You got a 2-foot T5 light, just like that one right. Just like that one right there. You've got a 2-foot T5 light.
I got something to make it work.
Okay.
You know, I'm old school. I got some stuff.
Okay.
What else? Oh yeah, some because I also need some. I'm tired of doing that ghetto fucking nitrogen bullshit.
I don't know what.
Like mix in like. Usually I just get like you mix it inside a bottle. I put baking soda and a bunch of fucking.
So you're talking about CO2,
Yeah, CO2.
not nitrogen, CO2.
Yeah.
So CO2, grab one of those bottles right there.
This one will last for.
Those last for 2 weeks, and then you put the refills in there. $20. The refills are $20. The starter's $40. You can have one for $35. But this is what you put in flour.
Oh, and flour mold.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah.
I don't need this right now.
If you wanted something for clones, then you're talking Green Pad Junior. This goes inside that Mondi Dome and tray. So this curls up. You would just take one of these squares out and just put one of those in that spot.
Oh, just put them in that spot.
No, one, just like the picture.
Oh yeah.
Well, one, and then in 3 to 5 days you'd swap it out. But you'll just cut one of these out and just put one of those right in that spot.
Keep it moist, right?
No, yeah, that's CO2 for your clones. I made a video that shows you how good that works.
I just don't want to spend too much, man. I know what I needed. Oh yeah, I already got that. This is gonna help you get more branches, right? And then the seal.
Right.
Fuck, what else I need?
If you're gonna take clones, do you need the Clonex dipping gel that you got the gel?
Yeah, I got the powder and then
Okay, that's fine.
some other stuff. Put some Arborella. I just dip it on there to make sure that shit roots up. Damn. How much is this?
You're at $70.
How much is this?
That's $30.
$30. Am I $70?
Yeah. Oh, what? Yeah, you're at $70.
$70. 15. How much is this?
The trays, it's 3 and 7. That's 15. Well, these things are 14.
Oh shit! Do I really need all that?
Well, it's how are you gonna clone without it?
I know. That's what I was thinking. I was like, do I really? You know what? I'm just gonna get the cobs better. Yeah.
The what?
These better. I'll buy these. I need this for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll figure a little method for this one. I'll put this back for you. Like some pot.
Oh, just set it all right there. Don't worry about it.
Not that one's too high.
Just set it on the tray. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
All right. How much am I at now?
You're at $45, $44.
And then I needed.
Did you want this?
Oh no, I don't need
Okay.
that. What is it? I got the. What are those? I need one of those smart pots.
What size would you like? Fives? Threes? You said you got 10s last time. That's a 7. That's big. I got 1s. I got a couple of. This one's
Let me get a 5, dude. I got this one that's in a little one, but it's already big.
There, you can have that thing for $4.
Okay, that works.
It's a spring pot, so it just holds itself up while you fill it.
Oh, so that's better than not holding it. Can I get also small one?
Sure, like small like a 1 or small like a 3.
3 looks a little better, right? Oh, you know what? This one's better.
Sometimes that's the right one.
Cause I got look, it's not that big as a room, but I'm trying to make it work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me get.
What light do you have?
I got Mars Hydro, and then I got some funky one I ordered online. And then I just didn't buy a grow tent. My friend Lynn borrowed his high pressure sodium, so it works fine with their friends. You know.
How many of those would you like?
I'm thinking about getting. How much are they, like $5?
No, I think they're like $2 each or something like that.
Let me get 3 then. 3. I kind of like that because I was already using that liquid stuff. That's why I was like, fuck, I kind of want to buy it again.
Yeah, get it again.
I don't want to buy the. Because that guy that sold me some fucked up shit. Because at first I was growing autoflowers. Yeah, I grow some nice autoflowers because I like growing them quick. And now I got into the, like photo periods. I'm trying to learn how to do those because, bigger plants. I'd rather grow a big ass plant than fucking want a couple autos. It's nice to grow autos, get a lot of them.
That's always the trick. You got to grow more autos.
Yeah, but You know, I like to grow them in the veg with the because it helps it grow. It's like it's fucking, you know, trying to compete. It's fucking nice. I was using Sensei Grow. That's what I was using.
Okay.
Do you have some stuff that is like to help it grow? I don't know. There's a part A, part B, like Sensei Grow.
If you want it to help it grow, you're not buying nutrients.
All right.
Now you're buying an additive.
Yeah,
So there's things like enzymes. In fact, you know what I have? Wait. I've got just what you want. I'll just grab. I got just what you want.
I just want to grow that.
I've got. Here are your three choices. This product these products right here are specifically, okay. Makes plant grow faster. You can. They're $60 now. Don't worry about that. This is, but it's a real product. I mean, this one's $60. This is another one of those, but this is for flower. And then this one keeps the nodes very close together, so you get long colas instead of a bud and a bud and a bud and a bud. You get a long cola. That's this one. This one is grow plant. But those things are, I mean, the kinds of real stuff, the stuff that's real is expensive. I mean, otherwise what? I mean, might as well piss in
I mean,
it.
I already got all the good stuff because your boy sold me. I got the. He even told me because he said the bloom. I already got. I'm set for that.
Yeah, but that's a nutrient. That's not an additive. You wanted the plant to grow faster. These are not nutrients. This is an enzyme.
I just got the one that's gonna help it grow fast because I already got the buds.
Okay, so this is branches, and that is. Think about if you're going to the gym and working out. Your body doesn't produce enough stuff. And so you go to the nutrition center and you start getting supplements. If you want your plant to grow faster, you don't give it nutrients. You're already eating chicken and rice. You have to take the supplement pills. That's that one for veg and flour, but this is flour only.
Okay,
but those are supplements.
One?
That one's you got that for $60. That's eBay price.
All right. I will.
They brought me a case of it.
So, bro, I'll try this one. Then.
Yep.
And then, what you gonna hook me up with the deal? What's up?
60, 90, 100. You gonna give me cash?
Yeah, cash.
110. Because you don't need a bag. Because it all fits in this bucket right here.
Yeah, I watch your videos, bro. I actually watched it like 2 years when I was failing. I was watching a bunch of them. And it's not rocket science. It's just like you said. It's just like your pet. You gotta be on it. You gotta fucking take care of it. You gotta check on it. You know, you can't slack it for 3 days or 4, because then the fucker just fucking slows down his growth, and then you trip out. Like, what the fuck? Lack of growth. Oh, I guess I don't change.
I didn't have any 10s either. I was hoping you were gonna give me one.
Hey, you don't have a smaller nitrogen one?
A smaller CO2.
Yes, CO2.
I don't have a less expensive one, if that's what you're asking. No, you can have one of those.
What is this?
Open it up. It's a stash.
Oh, shit.
You can have, that's an airtight stash. You can have one of those.
Oh, good looking out. Oh, shit is.
Push the black button.
What the? Oh, what the?
Airtight stash.
Hey, good looking out.
Yeah.
Dude. I ain't gonna tell nobody, all right? Oh, shit.
There are those granddaddy pads up there too, those green pad granddaddy pads. But again, top shelf. No, next to the TNB. Yeah, right behind it. It's the orange thing right there. There's that. Yeah. That's one other product. And this one is too. This is a CO2 fizz, but that one's pricey, but it lasts. It comes with the little pucks, and you let them dissolve. I don't sell the mushroom ones because they're a disaster. They last 6 months. You flower in 2 months, and the CO2 lasts 6 months. And you want all the CO2 you can get.
Yeah.
That's why, because it goes light, water, CO2 equals sugar and oxygen. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, of all the things you're going to spend your money on, of all the things, always buy CO2.
Yeah, that's what I need.
Always buy
I
CO2.
just don't want to, like you said, it lasts.
Tell you what, I'll sell you one of the bottles and a refill for $50 if you want.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, do I grab it or?
Oh yeah, grab one of the bottles, and I will grab you a refill too.
Yeah, I just subscribed yesterday. I was up at 2 o'clock in the morning, bro, watching your video. You were talking about the hydroponic system and how dumb motherfuckers are.
Oh my God,
Yeah,
the
that's
number
why
one way to fail.
I'm just old school, man. I just grow in fucking dirt, you know? And
Yeah.
this is,
Yeah. I got it. Okay.
but yeah, man, your videos are dope, man.
Yeah. I don't lie to you guys. I don't hide it. I want you to win.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
And when it all ends, I want the reputation of helping the most people win.
Send you flicks on my shit, bro.
Yeah, send them to me. Send me a link to the growboss at yahoo.com. Yeah.